kum ka wei na ka thong ban kyntiew ya ka yo ka kwat ki Nongrep Lyngba ka kamrep ka kamriang ha ki jilla shate lamingi ka ri India ka School Ba College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Science CPS AS CAU Impal umyam minta kasni klala ban pelong ya ka 17 India Japan on economics developments ka badai ka rinsan ikran halor ka phang ban kyntiew ka rep ka riang haki jilla shate lamingi ka ri India but kamtam haka jilla Meghalaya yakani ka India Japan dialogue layatrei lang ru Daka Central Agricultural University CAU Impal ka Indian Society of Agricultural Economics Mumbai Koop University Japan ka Center for International Projects Trust New Delhi but ka sorkar Meghalaya kumban penkan mau kani ka India Japan dialogue kadai kabala lamkhaman da u Dr. Anupam Mishra Vice Chancellor ka Central Agricultural University CAU Impal but day Lyngba ka jinglam khamat jong u baki riew shemphang niki pro jabing na ka sorkar India kila yo kalan banyathir ni yatai but kin ringwat kinomi khman na kari Japan kaba kilayatai sani halor kilat kilinti kumnu ban kyntiew ya ka kamrep Lyngba ki boarding start ka juk ba minta bat Lyngba ka jing ya kalyang ya ki put trekam na Japan but na India.
This is the 70th Indo-Japanese dialogue. Especially that we started this dialogue 25 years back. So at that time, the esteemed professor of University of Tokyo and Jawaharlal University JNU started this Indo-Japanese dialogue 25 years back. Then we are the second generation of these research group in India as well as Japan. So on this time, this is the first time to visit to north east part of India. So recently, Japanese government really wanted to key to see the development of.
Actually, that already under the initiative of Government of India and Government of Japan under Act East policy. So this dialogue has been organized. That is the 17th India-Japan dialogue, and this dialogue is basically means concentrating on the topics related to the development of northeastern region. And in the northeastern region, the development issues, what are the main development issues and what are the further development projects that have a very much potential for the development of northeastern region. So that way this dialogue has been organized, and here from 5 different Japan universities, that Japanese scientists, basically they are economists, policy makers, some are scientists, social scientists, and including one collaborator from Punjab Agriculture University, and also the Central Agriculture University being the part of this organizer as a organizer, and College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Sciences in Umiam, Meghalaya. We have organized this, and here we are inviting the State Department officials like the Joint Secretary of the Department of Agriculture Farmers Welfare joined, and they also presented what are the projects ongoing.